Gosh, Africans are who? But now it is not even only Africans right now. Did you hear the latest news? Oh my goodness. It got to a point I stopped talking about the healthcare visa, whatever, healthcare worker visa, because I know people are now abusing it. They're now abusing the opportunity. And the thing about this UK government is that when they start here, I say when this news start flying around, I made a video one time ago when there was people were talking about, oh, this 20 hours is not enough, this thing was not enough, blah blah blah. You better be careful. They will stop. They will say, okay. They will even scrape it because you've already shown maintenance visa, maintenance. You've already shown maintenance fund in which you're going to use to survive when you come to the UK. So you saying that, I said it then because I know this UK news flies. Those that work in all those parastatals, they've got family members, church members, friends, colleagues that are hearing this from their family, friends, relatives. Oh, this is what is happening. You guys are giving them information. And some will even disguise as if they even needed that care visa or whatever. And they go, oh, please, somebody give me your number that you can help. And they go and bring 1 million, go and bring 20 million. And say, really, these are you guys do it. And some of you might have fallen far right now. Some people might have been used as scapegoats. Now the law is out that some countries are now on the red list. You cannot come to the UK on that healthcare worker route. And this route is one of the easiest routes that most people have used to relocate to the UK. Ah, God saved you. Those of you that have come in before this thing happened, thank your stars, because they've spoiled it. They've blocked the avenue for others that are still coming. And the annoying thing is that those that have good intention, that even have passion for that job, or that even in that job, or that even working as an healthcare worker in their country, are not allowed now to come in. Those that have used that means to come in are those that just want to use it to jackpot. They just want to come. They don't have good intention. They don't even want to do that work. They just want to come. They've spoiled it. And all those scammers, God will catch all of you. You all those people that always, all those agents, those agents that always use this means. Anytime they make a law, you guys will not allow eligible candidates to apply in peace. You will devise your own means. I don't know how you get that license, to be honest. And I pray that God will keep catching you guys. To be honest, it's annoying right now. Normally, this is not me, but I'm annoyed right now. Because must you put us in bad situation? Must Nigerians be mentioned? I have never seen that thing they want to do, that government want to scrap, that they won't mention African countries. If no African countries is mentioned, Nigeria must be mentioned. And our leaders are this, our government are that. Say they why mainly. What about you? If somebody is a thief or suggested a means like defraud somebody else, and you agree to it, you consented to it. So what are you? Or is it who are you? I don't even want to know right now. So who are you then? They suggested to me, you won't go through the normal way. You will never go through that normal way. It's to be passing backyard. Now the red list countries are out. Nigeria, come here. Your name is on the list. Even if you don't call your issue, even ask that, please check that list very well. Ghana, Sierra Leone, Cameroon, Somalia, South Sudan, Gabon, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, Zambia, all of you come inside here. Togo, Malawi, Bangladesh, Uganda, Pakistan, Guinea-Bissau, Ethiopia, Cote d'Ivoire, Congo, Chad, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Burkina Faso, and more and more and more. And more and more and more. You are on the list. You are now on the red list. They've capped you guys right now. They've put you in a box. You cannot come. You cannot bring. People can't come. Eligible. Those are innocent people that want to come to the UK on that route to work and contribute to the system, to the sector. You've blocked that avenue because because of the faithful liars among you. The government said apply through this means, and you guys went to devise another means, bringing people in. And the thing is that those that are coming in on this route, paying millions. They are not even enjoying this route right now because they're not even getting job, but they can't come out to talk. They can't come out to talk. Some of them are complaining, oh, the agency that brought me only gave us 10 hours. We cannot work. What can 10 hours do? Even those that are working 40 hours per week or 50 hours per week are still complaining because it's not even enough. So why are you still doing it? Most of you are selling land, properties, doing different things, shady business just to jackpot on that route. And you don't have news flies? News flyer. Once they get to the authority, that is it. And they won't tell you, they won't make you to be suspicious of their plans. They will just wake up and you just see the news. Go and check the government website and see the news there. I'm not even particular about other countries. I'm particular about my country. Nigeria is my country. I'm ashamed of myself. Whatever law the government is going to put out to disfavor some people, Nigerians must always be there. Must you always be called for any bad thing. That is why people are discriminated here. And when they are calling something, they will like, if you are from Nigeria, they will look at you 2 times. Because they will think all of you are the same. Coupled with the fact that they now hear bad news, oh, corruption, you say, like father, like son. Is it a lie? Because that thing, you are making them to believe, oh, they are this, because they hear news every day about this and that, all the time. Common peaceful route for people to come into the country, you've blocked it now because of some faithful, greedy people. You are a faithful, greedy person. You are faithful in being greedy. Very loyal, greedy people. You are loyal to the core. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. I stopped talking about it because I'm like, that means it's no more pure. All those care workers, care homes, all these care homes, the licensed domiciliary agency, hospitals are no more recruiting from outside. They don't put out link for intending international workers to come in on that route. They've stopped it. If you see any genuine agencies, care homes, recruiting, advertising their vacancies, they will say international candidates should not even apply. Because they don't want to, they're not even sure if you have that experience you say you have. They're not even sure if you have that experience, if you have that qualification. Truly, most people have it. But because some people have spoiled it, some have been brought in and they say, oh, I have this and that. And when it's time for them to perform, to do their job, they cannot do it. There was a scenario whereby a guy was brought into the country on these health visa routes. And one of the requirements was that the person must know how to drive. You must know how to drive because you have to be doing domiciliary care, like community care work. Maybe he didn't know that he would be given a car to drive to different houses, because normally if you are in the community sector, normally if you are doing a domiciliary work, you need to go from house to house to care for patients. To be honest, if you can't drive, or if they don't pair you up with someone that drives, it's going to be difficult because you can't meet up the target for that job for that day. And because those employers, they don't want to lose clients. They don't want their family members to get to the client's house and see that their mom has not been taken out of bed, mom or dad has not been prepared for appointment, because some of them go for daycare activities, they take them for clubs, and those club people will always come like around 8. I've done the job before, so I know what it entails. They come like around 8 to come and start picking them up, just like they do pick students, just like they pick children for school if there are places that have school buses, you know. So most of them are now, they are still in bed, and some clients are being withdrawn by their family members to another place because they could see that that agency is not reliable. So now they want to recruit those that are driving because it will be faster to get to the house to cover many shifts like that. So when this guy was recruited because he maybe had gone to make fake driving license or something like that, and they believed. You know, most recruitment from overseas are done through Zoom meetings, that kind of a thing. So it's whatever you present to them, though you're going to send them your documents, but they don't, I don't know if they don't do their own investigation as well to know if that is, and because even if they do the whatever self, I don't even know if it's going to get them. So when this guy came and they wanted to give him a car, he didn't want to take it. He was drawing back. He wasn't showing that enthusiasm. So like, I want to take the car. And they were like, why are you not taking it? It's part of your job description that you're going to be driving to different houses to cover clients, to cover shifts, so they can like, you know, just to like prove to clients' family that yes, they are reliable. Your mom, your dad, your family members are safe with us. So that was when they got to know that this guy could not drive. So that means he lied to them and they terminated this job. Can you imagine? So I'm sure that for some care homes, domiciliary, nursing homes, NHS or private hospitals to have stopped recruitment from overseas, definitely those that they've employed had really, really disappointed them. Those that they have employed from overseas had lied. They've seen a lot of lies. This person is not experienced. And the irony of it is that I don't know how people behave. You don't know about a job. And they are giving you means to like get. Why can't you go and learn that thing? I've got someone coming into the UK very soon. And the person is learning the job right now. He's going to hospital setting to like know about the job so that it won't be like a novice when the person comes. When you want to learn something, that's how it should be done. Not when you don't know something and you behave as if it's fine. You just relax. You don't know that one day, farmer go catch thief. That is what happened right now. It's not funny because there are some people that really, really deserve this opportunity. There are some people that really, really need this job. There are some people that are really, really genuine that they're going to contribute. Even those that are here, we can even learn from them. You've spoiled that chance for them. Now, that is not even the issue right now. My what is really, really hurting me most right now is that if there are other opportunities that will still come, will they not still cap these countries in question? Won't they cap them? No, we don't want from these people because of who you are. Because of who you are. Nah, we need to do better. If we want Nigeria to move forward, all this, oh, this today, this tomorrow, we are the problem of ourselves. Don't just blame anybody. That's why I don't do politics. I don't talk about it because I know even, let's forget about our leaders are the one that leads. Even let's start from the family unit, which is the smallest unit. Let's start from there. Some people, even if some family members are not even united, they still dupe themselves. Let's start from there. Let's start from there. Not talk about school, community, states, and the country as a whole. Oh, it's Buhari. Oh, it's Tinubu. I don't even care. Whoever wins, whoever, because I'm like, it's a lie. Peter Obi is it's a lie. It is a lie. Nobody will do anything because that country is so. I don't even know where they want to. I don't even know the sector that is functioning right now. I don't even know the sector that they're gonna like start from, like to like restructure. Where are they gonna start from? Do they even know the number of people in that country? Do they even know? There are some in the rural areas that it's not even on the Google map. So what we're talking about? That was why I said let's even start from the family as a unit. A lot of some unscrupulous activities happening. So now we're talking about the whole nation for that matter. Now, this opportunity, some people are busy making money, milking people. And I don't even blame those agencies or those agents. I don't blame them because you keep patronizing them. If they come up with a scamming device and you don't fall for it, won't they be tired? They can never be tired because you want to patronize them. You want to encourage them to keep doing it. That is why you are fighting tooth and nail to get means to like come and to go and get that money to give it to them just for you to come. Even when you know that it is not good, it's a bad thing. Forgetting the fact that one day, this is going to backfire, and this is what has happened right now. I pity those that have sold their properties, sold things, and they've given some agents money right now, waiting for them to get visa. And this has happened. They will start getting letters. Unfortunately, we cannot progress with this application because of the government's new law. and you've sold everything. Now the agents or the scammer, whoever you've paid to, they've eloped with your money. Who will you cry to? Who will you cry to right now? Come, we need to do better. We need to do. I'm not happy right now. I'm so pained right now because of the faithful, the innocent ones that really want to come from different countries that are now on this red list, that really want to come to the country to contribute to the economy, to better their lives, for future, for greener pasture for their family members, for their children. Now you've used your own now. You've used your own now to spoil their own. And some of you have entered already. Some of you have entered. Now you spoil the chance. Live and let's live now. The money they were even collecting was so much. Millions. Just to come. And they're not even giving them the job. These people are not even the right candidate for the job. Even those that are in the UK, that are experienced, are not even getting the job because people are busy collecting money from outsiders and they don't want to give that job. Those that are in already, that even have their visa already, they are not even giving the job. Now you spoiled that chances. You spoiled it. When I said Nigeria will not be in the list. For what? How? It must be there now. Why won't it be there? And truly, Nigeria, we hail thee. We hail you, hail you, hail you. Thank you so much. Now you're giving us another image. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so disappointed. And the thing is, if they want to make another new route right now, like other short occupation lists that people can see you to come right now, who knows if employers will even want to pick Nigerians that are in the country or they're going to come. Who knows if they're going to. That's the time they say you're not getting the job. You're not getting. They will now give the job to somebody that is less qualified, that is not even as qualified, experienced as you are. Know that those employers at times, they know that those ones are not qualified for that job, that you are qualified. But because they cannot really prove your certificate, they cannot really prove your source of qualification. Oh my goodness. They know we are educated. They know we can speak English. They know we can defend it. But they're like, who knows? They are still having that doubt. That doubt is still there. It's still there. If you want to go to any country on any route, government has put out information about how to go about this. Can you please take consultation? Get a good lawyer. Ask about how this thing is done. Some people's visa have been revoked right now because of this issue. When all these scammers are now caught, they're going to trace, they go back to their own file, to the system, and check all those that have come in through that person, through that agency, through that whatever, and they're going to start revoking their visa because they know you've not come in through the right way. You bought it. You didn't come in based on merit. And then you'll now be wondering. You'll now be wondering about. You'll be wondering about. So now get your paper again, it will now be difficult. It's not good. Why don't you go through the normal means? If you are doing well in Nigeria, why is it because you have the money? You have the millions. That's why you could pay. If those that didn't have the millions, they cannot do it. Because you that have the millions and that have things that you can sell to get that money, now you are the one that caused all this trouble. You are the ones. And those that have collected money, so they are living big. And if they say, oh, Nigeria is on our date, they will be talking. They will be talking, say, oh, Nigeria is bad. If Nigeria is bad, then what you are what? What are you then? Hello? To be honest, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all with this news I heard. I'm not happy. Now this sector has been closed to overseas country right now because of some faithful, greedy people. Because of the faithful liars. Now they've blocked the avenue for good people to come in. I wish everybody well, and I pray that those that still want to relocate to the UK on that route, we get a better route and have their life sorted out. All right, then. I remain Tobi Wilson. I will see you in my next video. Please take care and bye.